developing root cells.
Exactly, wherever it's being utilized. Wherever the solute is being utilized, it could be in the roots, it could be in it's growing new leaves, it could be some other part of the plant, it could be in a flower, etc. It's an elegant system because it's based upon this principle of osmosis. Where there's more solute, there's going to be more water entering in. Where that solute is being used up, there's less watering, there's less pressure, and that's where things stop. Okay? But this means that phloem always has to be next to xylem because it needs the water from the xylem to create that pressure. Okay? Now remember when we talked about the cells that make up the phloem? Remember the two cells that make up phloem? Very good. What are they? Phloem is made up of companion cells and sieve tubes, right? Well, the sieve tubes are the ones that are carrying the sap. What's the companion cell doing? What's that? Yeah, it's based on what I just told you. What do they do?
They control the amount of cells that come in.
Very good. They're the ones, the companion cell, that is loading the solute into the sieve tube, okay? It's also where the unloading occurs as well. So that companion cell is helping with the loading and the unloading of the solutes. All right. Oh, I see where you got developing root cells. It says right there. Nothing gets past me. Lots of things get past me all the time. All right. Yeah.
Can you repeat one more time? Companion cells control?
The companion cells are what are controlling the loading and the unloading of the solute into and out of the sieve tubes. So the sieve tubes are the tubes that the sap is passing through. What's getting the stuff into the sieve tube? The companion cell. What's getting the stuff out of the sieve tube? The companion cell. Yeah.
So after it goes to where it's supposed to go, the sink, right? Is water filtered out at that point? I'm confused on what happens when it gets to the sink.
Where does the water go?
Yeah. Is it the
It's
same
being
level of
utilized
water?
as well.
Okay.
Right.
So are they both being pumped out to be utilized then, or are they staying in this? Okay.
The water will, the water will be utilized by the developing cells or the growing cells. It will also move back into the cell. Yeah. Okay. So here's, an example of that. These are the palisade parenchyma cells producing lots of sugar. They get pumped into the sieve tube cell with the help of the companion cell. It moves through the sieve tubes. Here, these are the xylem cells. There. That's where they're getting water from. And then it goes down to the root. Okay. So whereas transpiration, cohesion, tension, water is being pulled up. Translocation, sap is being pushed. Sound good?